This illustration is going to discuss the value of growing crops and how it is linked on the balance sheet. Remember from our discussion of chart of accounts, a growing crop is any crop that's in the field at the end of the fiscal year. So what happens is you do not value that at what you think it's going to yield and what you can sell it for, because that's still uncertain. So the way you value growing crops, as we discussed earlier, is simply how much have you spent on that crop from since the day the crop was initiated until the last day of the fiscal year. So in our little illustration, same illustration as in the chart of accounts earlier, at the end of December 15th, we had wheat growing 140 acres. Based on our records, we had $175 per acre spent. $175 times 140 acres is 24,500. Okay? That 24,500 is the estimated value of that growing crop as of the end of the fiscal year, and it would simply go right here in the balance sheet. So you would put that 24,500 right here in the investment in growing crops, and it would be linked right back to the chart of accounts, just like each of the other entries that we've shown you related to assets. Once again, the change does not go on the balance sheet. It goes on a different financial statement. What goes on the balance sheet is what you have growing, in other words, an asset you own as of the end of the fiscal year, and this farmer has wheat growing in the field, and it is valued based on the number of acres and how much he spent to date. And then again, it is linked directly over to the balance sheet.